Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, madam.
Yeah, good afternoon. Did you prepare the card which I sent you?
Yeah, yes, madam, I prepared.
Okay. So as for the card, what is your understanding of the card?
Actually, a lady has visited a nursing agency. She is in a requirement of a nurse who will be taking care of her elder mother. So I have to brief her. I have to collect the information. What is her mother medical history and what are the challenges she is facing. Second thing is I have to explain her what are the services we are offering and what is the cost involved in it.
Fine. So as per the card that has been given to you, the place, where is the place?
Nursing agency. She is
So it is,
the daughter is visiting nursing agency.
yes, it
Has
is a
it?
nursing agency. So as per the card, your understanding should be that the place is nursing agency. A daughter who has visited the nursing agency to take care of her elderly mother in her absence because she has planned for a vacation or some kind of outing for 15 days with relevant to her job because she's a journalist. So she
Yes.
needs a nursing care either at home or in the nursing, where the place old age or somewhere. So she has visited and she is checking with the head nurse what kind of facilities and what is the cost and other kind of amenities could have been provided. Either they could come to home and take care of mother or they can bring the mother over here and take care. So various questions could have been asked by the daughter and accordingly you have to answer what is the cost and all these things. As for the card, it is not given anything very clearly to you that this is the charge or that is the charge. So you
Yes.
can use your common sense and moderate things what is possible that you could speak on it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Start it.
So, hi, welcome to our nursing agency. Good afternoon. Uh, Please how are you feeling today, madam? How are you doing today? Sorry.
Oh my God, I think I have to correct you in the beginning itself. See, you have to introduce yourself because a daughter is visiting, right? And you have to introduce yourself, your name, and you have to say that I'm the head nurse. How may I help you, right?
Actually, I started little back. Okay, fine, madam. Okay, sorry for that. Good afternoon, madam. Myself, I am Basfaraj. I am one of the head nurses working in this agency. How are you doing today? And how can I help you today, madam?
Well, good to know, Mr. Basbaraj. You are a head nurse, and I'm here in order to arrange for a nursing care for my mother, who is an elderly person, because I have planned for a kind of, tour, which is based on my profession, probably for 15 days. So I and my mother, we both are living alone in that house. So in my absence, I need someone to take care of my mother. Either if you could arrange for a nurse who could be available 24/7 until I return back for 15 days, or do you have any other facilities that I could drop my mother over here? So I need a clarification, and I need the charges, what would be the thing, the detail, what could be the facilities provided by you for both, either to take care of my mother at home for 15 days, or my mother could be here for 15 days. So what are all the charges?
Well, sure, madam. We are here to help you, and we are here to help you, madam. And we have, as you told, you are planning for a business trip for 15 days, and nobody will be there to take care of your mother. So definitely, we can arrange a nurse to your facility, or you can also send your mother into our facility. We have both the options here. So before I speak more about that, I just want to understand. I just want to know some of the details regarding your mother's medical history, madam. Will you mind give me some information on that?
No, I don't mind what kind of information you are in need of. I'm here to give you.
Sure, sure. Thank you for giving me those. Thank you for accepting my request, madam. First of all, I want to know what's her age, madam.
My mom is 81 years old.
Okay. So, does she have any medical history of hypertension, diabetes, and how is her living style, madam? She is able to take care of her own in terms of personal hygiene, and does she require any support in walking or to do the daily physical activities, madam?
Well, touch wood, my mom is 81 years old. Though she is 81 years old, you could feel like she is hardly 18 years. That is how she behaves because she is
Mm-hmm.
very energetic and active, and she does all her work by herself. And she is an early bird. She gets up early in the morning, and immediately she have bath, and then she is into some kind of yoga and meditation. And yes, of course, her food habit is something more on porridge or liquid or semi-solid food, especially on juice or stews or soups. And
Mm-hmm.
she is not, no, a good eater. She is a fussy eater, I could say, but she is, active throughout the day. And you
Mm-hmm.
asked a question about the hygiene. You need not worry about because she does all the things by herself, and she keeps the house spick and span and herself too. So that is the nature of my mother. And luckily, she is not having any kind of health hazards like any chronic disease or diabetic or anything. Apart from that, yes, because of old age, sometimes she might have the complaints of joint pain. Apart from that, I have not observed my mom having any kind of illness, and she is not for any medication or taking tablet or visiting the doctors. The touch wood.
Oh, that really sounds good, and thanks for providing this all the information, madam. So, as per the information what I received, your mother is independent and she can manage her daily living activities alone, and she is bit fussy with the dietary pattern. She needs some support there, or some support in the form of dietary guidance and advices. We will definitely take care of that, and. What else attention you need towards your mother, madam, from our services? Please.
Well, you have not disclosed to me both the options because in the beginning itself, I just want you to quote on both the options that if you send a nurse to take care of my mother 24/7 at home, what is the cost and what all the facilities provided by you? And if my mom is getting dropped over here for 15 days, what kind of facilities, amenities do you provide? You have not said anything so far.
I appreciate your questions and patience on that, madam. Yeah, I will definitely answer your questions right now, right away, madam. So we have both the options of taking care of your mother at your facility, where we will be sending a registered nurse who will be accompanying her 24/7. She will be staying with her closely, and she will be taking care of all the activities she requires support, and also we will definitely monitor her for 15 days in your absence, madam, in the form of both medically, and also we will give her personal care, whatever she is required in your absence. And the second option is you can always drop your mother to our facility where of where we your mother will not city of people here, so she can also spend, also encourage our clients in various activities like yoga, uh, game activities which doesn't require much of physical effort based on our age. So definitely we have both the options, madam. And to explain about the diet, as you told, she is a bit fussy. We will have an extra. We will definitely provide an extra care for her in the form of diet, and what we will also consider what her likes and dislikes. Based on that, we will prepare a diet regimen for her, madam. will that
Well, diet is not something, to be more pressurized on, no, because though she is a fussy eater and she knew how much to eat, and whenever she is in need of, she demand and eat. So that's not a big thing. It is, better if you just leave her and give her the freedom to eat whatever she wants. But the thing is, I just want, clarification about, you said that 24/7 a person could be appointed at home.
yeah.
So do you say that in that sense, a single person could be available 24/7 with my mother for 15 days, or do you change the nurse in shifts, like, morning shift and night shift? What are the other options do you have, and what is the cost for that?
Well, I really appreciate that question, madam. I am definitely here to help you and to clarify your doubts. Uh, we have an option of changing the shifts for a nurse, madam, and we do have an option. A single nurse will always stay with your mother, and she will stay in your home for 15 days. So you can avail any of the options as per your requirement, and also, as I explained before, we have an option of in-facility care where you can drop your mother and we will definitely take care of her, madam. And to answer the cost factor, madam, I will definitely provide you with the leaflet where it clearly explains what is the cost of all the options what I have clearly explained till now, madam. Will that suffice
No,
your requirement, madam?
I think you have not explained the cost, because 15 days, whether I'm going to avail the, hospital facility, that is nursing care facility, and what is the charge per day, you have not mentioned. And if I opt for, a nurse at home, and if the nurses are in shift, what is the payment? That is very particularly I want to know about it, and you have not disclosed anything so far.
Sure, sure. I appreciate. I will definitely provide you the cost, madam. See, the cost the cost split breakout is something like this, madam. If you are availing a nurse who is staying with your mother at your facility, the cost will be around $35 per day. That will be a 24/7 care for her. And this parallelly, if you are
Well, why
planning
don't
to.
you put it in Indian value? Because we are in India, I believe.
Okay, sure. That will be around somewhere around 2.5 to 3,000 rupees, madam, for per day if you are taking the services at your facility, and if you are planning to drop your mother to our facility, that will be around 2,000 to 2,500 based on the requirement, madam.
Well, to some extent, I feel it is very high, and though it is a high, there is no other option for me because my job trip, business trip, which has been planned immediately. I have to take care. I have to hand over my mother in a responsible nursing care and immediately because tonight onwards, I need the people to take care of my mother because this evening I start to travel. So definitely I need someone who can come home and take care of my mother because we live in a huge house, independent house. My mother has got her own privacy at home, and I don't think at the age of 80 when she could have accustomed to your facilities. So I need you to keep in mind you arrange for two nurses, one for the morning shift and another for the night shift, and but I need somebody to monitor whether the both the nurses are properly taking care of my mother. So altogether, if the package comes for three people, also doesn't matter because I'm ready to pay for that. That most thing is, the happiness and peace of mind and the security and safety of my mother is very important. And we have cook at home, so whatever the food is in need of, my mother could, inform the cook to prepare and give. So I need 24/7 people should be available with my mother. It could be better if the people are coming in two shifts because one person could be literally tired to be with my mother. Already I informed you. She is very active and energetic person. So is that fine? So my requirement is I need two nurses on two shifts, like morning shift and evening shift, and one person to monitor, and food and other things could be taken care by ourselves. And I need the service immediately, tonight onwards. Is it possible?
Well, it is very much possible, madam, and thanks for providing us the opportunity to serve you. We are very much happy to provide our extended support in terms of providing a nursing care for your mother at your facility. I don't feel there is any challenge to arrange a nurse right away from today night, as you told, madam. That should not be a big challenge for us. And definitely
Well,
we will instruct.
one more thing for your kind information. We have the surveillance at home, CCTV, because as I'm arranging for outsiders at home, so you inform the nurses who are coming to my house that they have to, oblige the rules and regulations, and the CC should not be stopped at any cost. And because I might be watching, what is happening at home, across my travel wherever I am. So these kind of things, disciplined people who are available. And as I told, my mom is 81 years old. So if you could arrange for a nurse in the age group of 40 to 50, that could be, better matured people who could deal with, if they are very young also, they might be engaged in their work. And if they are very old also, they could not do the work. So I need a people, middle-aged people in the age group of 40 to 50. You could arrange for it. And thank you for the information that you have given. Money is not a constraint. If I have to pay the full amount or advance, whatever it is, let me know.
That, I understand your concern, madam, on the security and the care aspect. We just to answer your question, madam. We have our nurses who are well trained, both medically, and they are very good, very sound in the knowledge of nursing practices, and they have got a good amount of experience taking care of our clients, both in their home facility and also in our facility. And we will definitely assure you that there will be no hindrance in the form of care provided to your mother, and we are very happy to help you, madam.
Good to know. Thank you. So you could arrange for it. Thank you.
You're welcome, madam. Is there anything which you need support from my end, madam? Or I hope I have clarified all the questions.
Well, I got the information, and moreover, as I told you, my requirement is entirely different. If you just go on with my requirements, that could be more than enough.
No, madam. We will definitely meet your requirement, and we will definitely arrange a nurse who will be taking care of your mother as per your requirement, madam.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, madam.
Well, so you had taken more than 15 minutes. Are you there online, Raj?
Yes, madam. I'm online.
Yeah. You had taken more than 16 minutes you had taken to speak. And once again, the answer, the way you were speaking were not proper because, see, when I was asking you what is the cost and all these things, you were saying we will provide you leaflet, this and that, because I had come to arrange for a nursing care for my mother immediately. So, you have to be very careful, when you are discussing things. And moreover, we are Indians and you can speak the things rather in dollars and other things. You can speak in Indian value itself per day, what is the cost. And you should initiate to tell that, see, we are arranging both the ways. First, let me explain to you. If it is for home care, we can arrange two nurses in shifts or one nurse 24/7, and two nurses or one nurses for each person. If it is one nurse, we are going to charge, this is the thing, for example, 3,000 per day. And if it is two nurses in shifts, means you have to pay, whatever it is imaginary thing, 1,000, 1,500, what will be the thing. And if it is a nursing facility that has been opted by you in this nursing care, then it could be little less compared to that, because here we are providing service for various people. So in that way, it will be coming little 1,000 or something less per day. and what all the other amenities. You should have clearly explained to the person that what all the other amenities that are right from the food, and if there is any yoga center or a library or any entertainment place available, or any kind of time pass they can have because of older people, and what kind of privacy do you provide? Is it a shared accommodation do you provide, or single accommodation? What is the cost for the because it is purely this conversation is purely based on a daughter who needs a nursing facility for a mother, either here at home or in this place. So most probably the conversation should be based on the facilities, the amenities, the cost, and so that kind of things you have to. And but though it is told that my mother is a fuzzy eater, and you cannot insist more on that, and unless and until if it is required. Okay, so this all little more carefully you should have spoken. I'm giving you only C for today's speaking. What did you speak? I'm giving only C. Okay.
Okay, madam. Madam, I just have one question, madam. Compared to our last speaking, what do you feel? Is there any improvement or?
Day one, I'm giving you C, which means there is no improvement.
Okay, fine. Thanks for that.
Because this is an audio you are recording, right? You listen to it. How many times you have repeated, and you, whenever I'm asking question, you again you had repeated that I appreciate, like that. The same way you were repeating that redundancy. That should not be there. The spontaneity, fluency, and clarity of a subject matter didn't come out well. Even today's conversation also, you have to be very specific, and you started with a lady. Rather, it is, very decently you can say that a daughter has come to, arrange for. So you have to give respect, and you have to use the terms in a dignified manner. Okay.
Okay, madam. Sure.
Okay. Even if you say that also a woman has come, you can say, lady is not something wrong, but the thing is, my daughter has come to arrange for a nursing facility for a mother. So you can say that a daughter has visited. To put it in a nutshell, you could say that it is a nursing agency. The place is nursing agency. A daughter has visited the nursing agency in order to arrange for a nursing care for an elderly mother or older mother who could be, at home for a period of 15 days in her absence because she has to plan for a business trip. So based on that, we are going to converse what is the cost and what kind of facilities could be available as per the requirement of the daughter or as per the requirement of the person who has come to our place. So this is your assessment.
Okay, madam. Yeah, I got it.
Fine.
So
now I cut the call, and I'm going to send you one more card. You prepare the card and you speak it. Okay?
Okay, madam.